Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. This video is specially for you all, whomever requested me how to make idli dosha. So, for that, here I kept the raw rice which dipped on the water for over 6 hours, and now I washed it and kept for grinding. This is about 6 cups of rice. Next, in this vessel, you can see the fenugreek seeds. This is about 1 cup, and the next thing is the urund dal. This is a black color coated pulse, which is used for this idli and dosha. And this is the cooked rice. This is specially Kerala Matta rice. So you can grind all these things separately. Whichever I kept in separate vessels, we are going to grind everything separately. And we will mix all together. So now you understood all the ingredients. Now I am going to grind this urund dal and fenugreek. This is the grinded thing. It is thick like consistent. Now I am going to grind this raw rice. And now I mix all these grinded items together. If you want, you can put salt now itself. If you will put salt soon after grinding, it will help to make it sour in taste as early as possible. The perspirations will come early. If you will not put it early, it will become sour, so a little late. So now you can mix everything well and keep aside. Here we are not going to eat baking soda, baking powder or any yeast items. It will be perfectly natural and perfect recipe. Now you are seeing the perfect mixing batter of idli, dosha and Kerala appam. So now after mixing, overnight we will keep aside. After that, the perfect batter of idli dosha is ready now. For idli dosha and appam, there is different varieties of vessels. Dosha you can make in normal pan. This appam also you can make normal pan. But idli there is a vessel like this. So I already put idli batter on that, and idli is already cooked perfectly in here. Next, normal frying pan, I am putting the dosha batter on that, and just I am making like this circle in manner. Just you can wait for 2-3 minutes in normal sim. Now you see, if you want, you can put this in another side, so it will be more crispy. Or if you want like this, no need to put back side. Here I am putting back side, so you see the back side is more crispy like appeared. Now after 2 minutes, the another side also cooked well. Now you can make some different shape, like this shape it is better, and you can serve this one. The perfect dosha is ready now. Next is the appam. We are making this in appam pan. This is different pan, or you can make this appam in that same pan also. But in appam, the main difference between appam and dosha is more than shape. Dosha we are not covering and keeping. Appam, you see here we are just covering and keeping the appam. So after 2 minutes it is cooked well. It is not much crispy but tasty. So the perfect appam is ready here. So the WHO recommended food for all pregnant women and the healthy diet, idli is here ready. Then the crispy dosha is ready and appam is ready. So if you all like this recipe, please like the channel. And today the first time you are watching my channel, just subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. So thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.